Okay, you are wondering what I am doing, Abby. Okay, yes. You see this leaf bar. You see this leaf bar. Okay, I cut it from a plant. I'm sure most of you or some of you, depending on your background, you are familiar with this leaf. Okay, look at it. I don't know the name it is called in English, but like in my village, in my okay, sorry, in my town, in my city, my city in Okeagi, we'll call it lakpa, lakpa, call it lakpa, lakpa. Okay, that's what we call it in my community. Okay, this leaf, lakpa, lakpa, is highly medicinal. Highly medicinal. It has been proven to cure, some minor ailments. Okay, like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I was having this severe mouth, problem, mouth issues. So I was having sores in my mouth, like around my gum area, the upper and the lower part of my mouth. It was sore, So I am this hard brusher. When I am brushing my teeth, you will think that I am quarreling with myself. I like to brush my teeth hard. I like to brush hard. And I like to wash my tongue, wash both upper and the lower part of my mouth thoroughly. I do all of that. Do the floor and the roof together, plus the outside. That's how I do my brushing. So it was very hard for me brushing. Very, very difficult for me brushing. So um, I was thinking of what home remedy I could use to help myself. Then this came to mind. So remember that I have it at the back of my room. So I just woke up that morning. I applied my toothpaste, added some little salt. Then I went to the backyard to pluck this leaf. And after cutting it, I allowed the liquid to drip on my toothbrush, on the toothpaste and the salt together. Then I went ahead and brushed with it. I repeated this for like 3 days, 3 days, and after the 3 days, I discovered that it was all gone. All the pain was gone. The sauce was gone. So I could brush my teeth, could brush my mouth as hard as I wanted, and there was no more pain. Okay, so it cured it, apparently. And I also remember sometimes, like some years back, I was having this. I used to have this, slight pain, in my stomach, especially very early in the morning before. If I did not eat early enough, maybe I had to fast or something happened. I could. I didn't just. In fact, usually I didn't used to. I was this kind of person that didn't like eating breakfast. But I have changed that now because I feel that breakfast is very, very essential. So I eat breakfast, as early as possible, you know, and as frequent as all the time. Okay, so unlike before. So I thought that when I did not eat breakfast, when I had to fast or something, I will be having this slight pain, in my tummy, this slight pain, you know, in my stomach. So I thought of it. Then someone I was talking about it with someone. Then someone said, "Kai, look at this leaf." Then he reminded me of this leaf. I said, go and pluck it. It's early in the morning before eating. I said, pluck this leaf and then chew it, put it in my mouth, chew it, and then swallow the liquid. And I actually tried it, and honestly, it did work. Since then, I don't have this that pain anymore. It has gone. And then I remember that even when we were small in the village, my mother would tell us to apply to use the liquid of this, the water of this leaf, to brush our teeth. So put it on our toothbrush or our chewing stick. We used to brush our teeth. It cured bleeding gums and all of that back then. That was in those days. So it was very good. You know. Uh, I also remember that I think there was a time we used it to cure ringworm. This ringworm on the head. Once you just cut the leaf, you allow the water also to drop on the spot. Then you scrub it. It might be painful, but if you repeat it, of course, it has a way of curing ringworm as well. So these three things I can confirm to you that this leaf, can actually cure. It's not bitter. Okay, it's not bitter. It doesn't only just alter, your mouth taste. That's the taste of you won't just alter your mouth taste, and that's all. But aside that, it's not bitter. It's not sour. It's nice. It's friendly. So go and try it if you need it. You know, it will work. Then you come back and thank me. Can even ask me to send you my account number. okay, I will send you my account number, your wire me money, so that I can do more research and take care of myself. All right, that's it. That's all.